Hello! My new delivery's had 3 days now of quarantine in the hallway, and I thought I'd open it with you. It's something very practical, but also with a language twist. Here we go. It's a bread bin, but it's a Welsh bread bin. Like a lot of people, I suppose, during these lockdowns, I've been toying the idea of making my own bread. And this Welsh bin bara, or bread bin, seem to be just the thing. Do you have things about the house that you use and love, emblazoned with your language? Let me know about them in the comments below. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and now I suppose I'd better get baking.